Oh yeah.
I got a new Bluetti EB55 because the one that we have, the connections to charge on the box, both of them. There's a XT60 which is for solar, and then there's a 8mm barrel that you can connect to power. So to charge the Bluetti with electricity coming from the generator, we use the 8mm, but a few months back it melted, so that would cause a hazard, and the charging stopped because we use this thing every day. Now I was able to rig the XT60 to work with the generator by splicing the cable off of the 8mm barrel and connecting the XT, and then connecting that into the battery so we can charge it through the generator. And that has now melted and I can't pull it out, so the battery is fused together with the connector, which is connected to the charging box, which is what I plug into the generator to charge the battery. So we ordered a new one and it said it would arrive today, and it looks like it's going to get stuck and lost. We've seen packages get lost, and this happens in a similar way where it just gets stuck at a facility for 5 or 6 days, and then your expected delivery date is posted, but today's the delivery date, and I checked the tracking and it's not moving. So I may just cancel that because we got to get out of here. Our 14 days is up in 4 days, so I can't stick around for that, and I have a project to do, so we need the power. And this battery still works, but like I said, it's fused, and it'd be nice to get that new battery, but we're not, doesn't look like we're getting it. But luckily this one still works. Bluetti, you guys need to fix this issue with the connectors melting to charge the battery, because that's an issue. We're gonna start getting ready to get out of here, and then I think we're gonna get a hotel, because I'm gonna need some decent power to keep my computer running. We're gonna need a strong signal, like a constant one, because the back and forth with clients is not good if we're out here, and an upload takes forever. Something that's a gig will take, I don't know, 24 hours, and the connection keeps getting lost, so it keeps resetting, and I can't have that. I gotta upload, and it's gotta be fast, so I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and get a hotel, which will be a nice vacation from this vacation, because a shower would be good, and a table to work at would be good, and free breakfasts every day there. So I think we're gonna do that. And it's deserved, because me and Mrs. CHICO are celebrating our 28th anniversary. We've been together for, put me on the spot, 32 years. High school sweethearts, but married 28. So I figure we could treat ourselves to a little bit of relaxation. All right, I'm gonna cut this one, and thinking about maybe doing some lives at the hotel room, so stay tuned. Action adventure fans.